Welcome back to Hello Daily English. Today's episode is going to change the way you learn English forever.
Ooh, bold start. I love that, Lily.
I mean it, Ryan. Today we're talking about 5 ways to learn vocabulary fast. And I promise by the end of this episode, you'll actually enjoy learning new words.
Oh, yes. No boring memorizing lists, no headache. We're keeping it fun, natural, and effective.
Exactly. And hey, before we start, if you love learning real life English, not textbook English, make sure to subscribe to Hello Daily English.
Absolutely. We post every week, and each episode helps you sound more fluent, confident, and natural.
And we love hearing from you. So after this episode, comment your favorite new word or phrase you've learned recently. Deal?
Deal. Let's get started.
Way 1. Learn vocabulary in context. Okay, first way. This is the game changer.
Ooh, I know what's coming. Learning words in context, right?
Exactly. Don't just memorize random words like apple, sun, happiness.
Yeah, you'll forget them in 10 minutes.
Right. Instead, learn them inside sentences. Like, instead of just happiness, say, spending time with friends brings me happiness.
That's how your brain connects meaning, sound, and emotion. It sticks longer.
Totally. You can read short stories, dialogues, or even subtitles while watching shows. Just notice how words are used.
So next time you hear a word, don't write it alone, write the full sentence.
Exactly. Context equals memory. Way 2. Use the words you learn.
All right, number 2, use the words you learn.
Yes! Don't just keep them in your notebook, bring them to life.
Say them out loud, write sentences with them. Use them in your daily chats.
I always tell learners if you don't use it, you lose it.
That's so true. Like gym muscles, you have to exercise them.
Exactly. And don't worry about making mistakes. That's how you grow.
So maybe every day pick 3 new words and try to use them in real sentences.
Yes, you'll be shocked how quickly your vocabulary grows. Way 3. Learn from what you love.
Oh, yeah. Learning English shouldn't feel like a school punishment.
Totally. If you love cooking, watch English cooking videos. If you love football, follow English sports channels.
Or if you love gossip, celebrity interviews are full of fun, natural English.
True. When you enjoy what you're learning, words just stick naturally.
It's because emotion connects to memory. If it's fun, your brain says, keep this.
Exactly. So, everyone listening, comment below what kind of English content you love learning from.
We might even mention your comment in the next episode.
Way 4. Keep a vocabulary journal.
All right, number 4, simple but powerful. Keep a vocabulary journal.
Yes, and not just a list. Write words, their meanings, and how you use them.
Example, motivated. I feel motivated when I listen to English podcasts.
Like this one.
Exactly.
Also, try grouping words by topic, like work, travel, or feelings.
That helps your brain organize words better. It's like building small English boxes in your mind.
And review them every few days, not just once a month.
Repetition is your best friend.
Okay, number 5, the ultimate secret. Start thinking in English.
Oof, this one's big.
I know, but it's powerful. When you start describing your world in English, even in your head, you're training fluency.
Like when you wake up, say to yourself, okay, I need coffee, instead of translating from your language.
Or when you're walking outside, think, the weather's beautiful today.
It feels weird at first, but that's how your brain switches to English mode.
And over time, you'll stop translating. You'll just think and speak naturally.
That's real fluency.
Okay, bonus tip for our loyal listeners: use English in real life.
Oh, yes. Text your friends in English, write your grocery list in English.
Or leave a comment on YouTube in English, like right now.
Nice plug, Lily.
Nice plug. But really, practice is everywhere if you look for it.
You don't need to move to London or New York. Just use English where you are.
That's how real learners grow, by using it every day. Okay, let's quickly recap the 5 ways to learn vocabulary fast.
All right, number 1, learn words in context. Number 2, use the words you learn. Number 3, learn from what you love. Number 4, keep a vocabulary journal. Number 5, think in English.
And don't forget our bonus: use English in your real life.
That's the secret sauce.
Secret sauce indeed.
And hey, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Daily English.
And please comment below one word you learned recently or one tip that helps you remember new vocabulary.
We love reading your thoughts. Seriously, it keeps us going.
You're not just learning English, you're building confidence one word at a time.
Keep going, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
This is Lily,
And this is Ryan.
and you're listening to Hello Daily English. See you next time.